This is so nice.
We're not in shirt. Take out the water. There we go. Now listen up. Who else did I find? Let me see. Where did they go? Oh, you with your hand on your hip. You with your hand on your hip. Come on over here. Come on over here.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Brittany. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As you guys saw by the title, I am on vacation right now and we are in the fabulous Catalina island. And right now Nick is actually golfing and I am looking pretty and driving the golf cart. So we are actually on our second day of our cruise, and Nick really wanted to go golfing on Catalina Island today, so that is... You got 3? Yep. Okay. And that's what we're doing today. He's actually golfing really well. He's never golfed on this course before, so... How are you liking it so far?
Awesome. It's a lot of fun.
The weather's beautiful.
It's gorgeous out of here.
Gorgeous. Usually, I was afraid that it was going to be overcast because we're right on the water. But it's actually really nice.
I am holding the camera now. I am.
You're in charge. Yeah, it looks like that little area where he was. Oh, there's a squirrel.
Squirrels.
They're everywhere.
Squirrels. Just going through. Say hi, guys. Our next tee box, I believe, is up around the corner, or another shotgun.
Oh, you did? All right.
I'm just kidding. I got a 7 on it. Thank you very much, sir. Down to the gut. You're up. Birdie right there, man. Sheesh.
We just finished golfing.
Brag about my score really quick.
We're so hungry, I forgot to film the food, but I got a bacon and avocado omelet with potatoes on the side. Obviously, we get salsa and tortillas. And what did you end up getting?
Chorizo scramble.
Ooh. Potatoes too. Nice. And the beer. What kind of beer is that?
I'm not even sure. This is a new one. It almost looks like a Modelo Negro, but it's a Bohemia.
Oh, looks fancy.
I've never had it before. I figured I'd try it.
It's cool. How is it?
I haven't even tried it yet.
Oh, okay, official taste test. Here we go.
That's a Pilsner. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's really tasty. You want to try it? No, that'd be super. It's lighter than the Stellas.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It kind of almost tastes non-alcoholic. Alright, so we just got back from Catalina and had so much fun. Nick golfed really well. He got a 38.
Yep, 38.
38, and yeah, it was a great time. I'm glad he got to do that. He kept talking about that nonstop, so it was nice that we were able to go golfing.
Yeah, it's been a while since I shot a 38. Technically a 42 if we're playing on.
I don't think anyone following me knows what that means, so.
I'm pretty sure they do.
Okay, so, let me go back. Before, we're actually about to head up to the pool, but I want to give you guys a room tour for those of you who just wanted to know what our space looks like. I think we have a lot of space compared, like, for the two of us. Like, for me, it seems like this is like the typical size of a hotel room, would you say? except the bathroom is small.
It's about, I would say, maybe 3/4.
Yeah. A little bit smaller, but it's because the bathroom is small, not because the room is small.
Well,
so
I mean, yeah, I was gonna say the bathroom is actually bigger than the one we had. So.
yeah, so funny story, before our room, when we first checked in, was right off of the elevator lobby exit. So like when you would walk onto the boat from deboarding, our room was literally right there. And it was so, you guys, like, we're young and we can, like, I feel like I can handle noise, but that was just excessive because it was going off until midnight.
And we party all day. So
and like you're partying all day, so you don't care. And like we're tired around like midnight, like that's when we're usually getting back. So the music was like still going on, and so I called the front desk to see if I was able to get a different, the front desk, I called guest services to see if
pretty much
I could get another room, and they were so helpful and helped find one. It's still right off the elevator, but it's not next to the lobby or anything. Is the front door. When you come in, right here is just a closet with all of our life jackets, and the safe is also in there. And then we also have 2 additional, oh, you put your clubs in here already?
Yeah.
2 additional closets. This is Nick's side, so he has his clubs in here, which is perfect because I was afraid that we were gonna have to leave them out, but they fit perfectly in here, and there's still extra space, which is great. And there's also a full-size mirror. Hey girl. And then another closet where all of my stuff is in, and like all of our extra suitcases are up here as well. And then the refrigerator is down here. And then as soon as you walk in, I hung my robe up here. You have to use your key card in order to turn on like all the lights in the room. The bathroom you don't have to. So then here is our bathroom, super small. But it's actually, funny story, a lot bigger than the other one we had. The mirror's really big too. So all the videos that I was watching like in preparation for the cruise, they recommended you unpack everything because it's really hard to live out of your suitcase when you're in such small quarters. So I followed that advice, and I honestly, it's probably the best tip that I found. So this is just like all of my skincare, makeup, and our toothbrushes, and key because there's no windows unless you have a balcony like we do. So you need poopery, you need air freshener because there's no way to air anything out. And then we just have like our medications like Dramamine, Advil, all that stuff, and then stuff we need to grab. So we actually need this since we're going to the pool, and lotion, smell goods, and then just like hair products we have up there. And then also this is our shower, super small. I think we have a handy capable room, and that's why our bathroom is a little bit bigger, but there's just a curtain and then the toilet. So yeah, we did switch too. And another tip that I was also watching from YouTube is you can buy these magnetic hooks, and these are mine, I bought, and like you clip them on right here, and then they're perfect for like, we like to use loofahs when we're on vacation, so we use them for the loofahs, my shower cap, and also this door is also magnetic as well. And like in our other room we didn't have these knobs, so I just took those magnetic ones and put them here too, and hung of all of our bathing suits. And then videos I was watching also recommended getting a laundry bag, so we hung this up there as well. So that's the bathroom. And then, oh, the thermometer's lower. The other one was like up here. Oh, that's right. Oh, you know why it wasn't working? Our key wasn't in here.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
I didn't notice it wasn't on. Oh well. And then this is the couch area. It comes with a little table. We honestly never use this.
Pretty sure that that's a bed too.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. I think it's also a bed, so it's perfect. We actually put our breakfast here this morning. We ordered room service. And then this is a king size bed. So you can only imagine, like, I feel like I still have a lot of room, like, and then the bed here and of itself, like, Nick is 6'4" and lay on the bed. Like, there's so much room. It's perfect. And we actually just got back. They just cleaned our room and they left this cute little duck. I think it's a duck. It's a duck. So cute. It's it's a duck. And yeah, that's the king size bed. And then we have our TV, pretty standard. And then out here is the, oh, it's the patio. And there's 2 lounge chairs, a little table, and then such beautiful, oh, there's a boat out here. A sailboat. Such a beautiful view today. Earlier we were able to see Catalina, so we're actually docked in Catalina right now, and there's the island over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little room tour that we just did. And now we are going to go up to the 21 and up pool area because we are not trying to hang around them kids. I'm sorry if you have kids, but not on vacation. I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with like the jacuzzi splashing. Like, we are going to the 21 and over section where them kids cannot be splashing hot water, okay?
It was crazy how you used to go from doing that as a kid to as an adult. Like,
right?
How you go from, like,
it's funny how that switch happens and you're like, damn, that was annoying. I don't know why I did that.
seriously.
Hi, buddies. Aww.
Get my phone out, take some pictures.
Right. She's got all the
She got the
stuff.
professional camera, huh?
Yo, you seen that on Netflix? Idris Elba. Yeah, there's this thing on Netflix. Yeah.
I saw that one.
They love.
Ooh! That's a girl. Horses gotta let it all out. Okay.
When you gotta go, you gotta go. Head of the pack.
Oh wow, there's people just right down in there.
Right, moving right there. Oh, this is where you said the swap meet is.
Oh, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, salute!
Salute.
You guys get in the video.
Hop in this.
Woo!
You're gonna be on my vlog. Salute! Wow, that was actually very, very smooth, huh?
This is my approach anytime I get up.
Dude, even if they're on the same team. You gotta do it either way.
Oh no!
Hey, get up!
Oh!
Get on his shoulders!
I won $5.
Oh, he did. Show the chip.
It's my one chip. Thank you so much.
Thank
Ooh, I'm
you.
excited to eat
Oh.
this with the vinegar. Ooh,
Are
yummy.
these the frog legs? Yeah.
We did the whole
Okay,
thing.
ready?
There you go.
Is there bones?
Yeah.
Alright. Here you go.
Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken?
Yeah.
Tastes like chicken here.
Something's up.
Something